Welcome to another insightful episode of Sitarab Ka Safar. Today, let's explore the expansive and optimistic nature of Sagittarius, also known as Dhanu Rashi. Known for their love of adventure and search for truth, Sagittarians are driven by curiosity and the pursuit of freedom. In this video, we will uncover their strengths, weaknesses, and the impact of the stars on their lives. Sagittarius, ruled by Jupiter, is all about exploration, expansion, and seeking higher truths. Their symbol, the archer, represents someone always ready to aim for a goal with passion and precision, with the wisdom of the horse's powerful strength and the intellect of a human mind. Sagittarians are known for their pursuit of knowledge, their love for freedom, and their tireless curiosity to understand the world around them. Sagittarius individuals possess an open mind, exploratory personality, always on a journey to expand their horizons, both mentally and physically. Whether through travel, studies, or philosophical pursuits, they are constantly seeking to push beyond the limits of everyday life. Sagittarius is all about embracing freedom and seeking wisdom. Their approach to life is optimistic, energetic, and full of passion. They thrive on exploration not only of the world around them, but also of deeper existential questions. Their spirit of inquiry leads them to constantly seek new experiences, facts, and truths. A Sagittarian sense of adventure often manifests through a desire to engage with new cultures, ideas, and philosophies. They are driven by the need to expand their mental horizons and to find deeper meaning in life, all while maintaining their independence. People born under Sagittarius are typically dynamic, free spirited, and filled with a deep sense of curiosity. They possess a great deal of intellectual strength, clarity, and the ability to speak their minds truthfully. Their philosophical and adventurous nature gives them a positive outlook on life, and they are known for being spontaneous and full of energy. Sagittarians have a unique combination of being intellectual yet exuberant, and they possess the knack for understanding complicated concepts while keeping their energy levels high. With a love for movement and exploration, they're not ones to stay idle, always planning their next trip or study. In matters of love, Sagittarians are passionate yet fiercely independent. While they enjoy strong emotional connections, they can be hesitant to tie themselves down, as their need for freedom and exploration often conflicts with deeper commitments. They thrive in relationships that allow them to explore both individually and as partners. However, their enthusiastic nature and candid expressions can sometimes be overwhelming for those who need constant emotional reassurance. When they find the right balance, Sagittarius individuals bring optimism and excitement to their relationships. Sagittarians tend to be overly optimistic, which can lead to taking unnecessary risks or being naive at times. They are prone to spending too much and overindulging, and they may sometimes struggle with remaining grounded. Their intense focus on freedom and exploration can lead to restlessness, and their blunt honesty can sometimes come across as tactless or inconsiderate. Other weaknesses include a tendency to be opportunistic, sometimes neglecting long term commitments and showing little patience for routine. They can also be quite reckless when it comes to their words and actions, at times choosing to speak without considering the consequences. Sagittarians excel in careers where they can combine their love for freedom, innovation, and their intellectual gifts, whether in education, philosophy, law, or journalism. They find fulfillment in jobs that involve communication, movement, and deep thinking. Additionally, professions related to travel, exploration, or technology are often perfect for Sagittarians. Public relations, marketing, social work, and roles that encourage change and progress suit their energetic and dynamic nature. They are well suited to environments where they can freely express their ideas and engage with people from diverse backgrounds. Psychologically, Sagittarians are often seekers of truth. They have a keen desire to uncover the hidden layers behind surface appearances,
always striving to understand the larger picture. They're driven to investigate and explore new fields of study, as their love for growth and expansion guides their decision making. Sagittarians don't just accept things as they are, they dig deeper to uncover what truly matters. On the emotional level, they're guided by their need for freedom, but once they allow someone into their hearts, they're fiercely loyal. Sagittarians feel deeply about the things they value, but may struggle to express their emotions in conventional ways. Sagittarians are generally active and energetic, thriving when physically engaged in activities. Common health issues for Sagittarians include challenges related to the thighs, hips, and lower back. They are prone to overexertion, which can lead to injuries if not careful. Problems related to the joint or a tendency to overdo physical activities may also surface. It is important for Sagittarians to maintain a balanced lifestyle, combining movement with periods of rest. That concludes our exploration of Sagittarius. Whether you're a Sagittarius yourself or know someone born under this adventurous sign, you now have a deeper understanding of their inherent need for freedom, knowledge, and truth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sutaraka Safar for more astrological insights. May the stars guide your journey ahead.